So today we will learn about these three tabs together: history and physical examination, a review of system, and physical examination. So suppose if you have finished the review, screening, all this, and if you want to go to HPI, there is two way you can go here. You can just directly click here, or you can place next in here. So let's press next and it will guide you to HPI. So here you will have to write history of present illness. If you click here, you will be, this will lead you to write freely. You will be able to write anything, like the patient presented with abdominal pain is in right lower quadrant, sharp, like that. It will let you write freely. The another way is, you can use your own made text macros. So for that you will I showed you will have to click dot and then your text macro. I'll use my initial and do generic pain, and I will be able to finish the HPI by inserting appropriate finding in here. And the third way, an interesting way, is you can use the template. So suppose if you are doing the patient history, and if you feel like the patient is having sinusitis or something like that, you can click here in this plus tab and you can write sinusitis, and this you can open the template, or you will be able to see all of the template in here. Like while clicking here, you will be able to see all of the patient template for complaint. Suppose if you want to choose abdominal pain, then you can click here, abdominal pain, and here you will be able to see the template. For that you will have to click here or here, suppose here, and you can click your appropriate finding. I like this method because it will help you to not to forget any important point. So if you feel like it's right lower quadrant, quality is sharp, you can add the severity, severe, duration, intermittent, onset, onset or timing worse, something like that, history of kidney stone, all this kind of thing. And I want to tell you that in the final history of physical examination, only that finding will be shown which you click. So like if you haven't clicked no fever, then you will not be able to see that patient doesn't have fever or chills. So if you want to make a note that the patient has no fever or chills, you will have to click here, no fever, no chills, something like that, but blood in the urine. And suppose the pain is radiating, then no radiating, no medication. And if you can add your your finding, or you can write freely in here for any subsection. Like if you want to add some note for this subsection of location, like you can add your own note in here. um, Note something like pain started around umbilicus, then radiate to um, McBurney. I think I spelled it wrong. McBurney's point, something like that. If you like, if you have pressed multiple finding, and if you want to clear it, you can click here, clear. Or if you want to do the normal, I mean, let's see that let's see, for associated symptom you find no associated symptom, and if you want everything normal, then you can click here normal. First let me get clear in the normal, and it will click all of this finding normal. Okay, so that's it for history and physical examination. If you want to shorten this tab, you can always click here and it will make it short, and this kind of thing will appear in your final history. If you feel like that, for review of system, you can click here, or you can click next, and you can add your review of system. Same thing, same template thing for review of system. And if you feel like you have asked review of system question and you have mentioned all everything in HPI, then you can always click here, review of system as noted in the HPI. You can click here, and the review of system, click here, so it review of system is as noted in HPI. For physical examination, same thing, you can always type freely, you can use text macro, or you can click here and you can use any of the template. The very interesting and good template I found is general adult exam. So this, so here you can always see and add your finding. So that is it for HPI, review of system and physical examination. Thank you.